The REAQER Toilet Seat Riser 5.9-inch is an adjustable height medical equipment designed to provide security and stability to the user. This raised toilet seat is resistant, comfortable, and ideal for individuals with difficulties in sitting down or getting up from the toilet due to hip or knee pain or reduced mobility. Its simple and discreet design makes it adaptable and compatible with most classic toilets, whether they are elongated or round-shaped. The assembly of this elevated toilet seat is quick and easy, requiring no tools, and its polypropylene composition makes it corrosion-resistant and easy to clean and disinfect. The REAQER Toilet Seat Riser is recommended for the elderly, seniors, people with reduced mobility, assisted living caregivers, or disabled individuals, and is useful during convalescence periods, injury rehabilitations, and post-surgery. With a maximum user weight of 300 pounds, this toilet seat riser is a reliable and practical addition to any bathroom, enhancing safety and comfort.